Here is a quick walkthrough of your AU Library account called My Library Account. There are many ways to access My Library Account, one of which is through AU Library Search. In the upper right-hand corner, click Sign In. If you are an AU student, faculty, or staff member, use your portal credentials. For AU students, be sure to use the username@american.edu format. @student.american.edu will not work. If you are a member of AU alumni or a community member, use your permanent username and individual password. If this is your first time logging in, please contact the borrowing desk, either at the number or email address on the screen, to obtain your username and temporary password. We are now in My Library Account. Your account is organized by the horizontal tabs at the top, as well as by vertical navigation on the left if you have items, pending requests, or fines due at other libraries in the consortium. Make sure you select each one to view your activity with each institution. The Overview tab is exactly what it sounds like. Think of it as a snapshot of your latest library activity. In this tab, you can view items you have checked out from various libraries of the consortium, any pending requests you may have, overdue fines you might have incurred, and even blocks or messages on your account. The Loans tab will show you a complete list of all the items you have checked out. If you have items checked out from more than one library, use the navigation on the left to see which items you have checked out from each library. You can also renew items from this screen as well if the option is available. If the option to renew is not available, but you still need the book, you will need to physically bring the book back to the borrowing desk to check it out again. The Request tab will tell you the items you have requested. The Fine and Fees tab shows you if you have any overdue fines at any of the institutions indicated on the left. The Blocks and Messages tab will show you if there are any notes that library personnel have left for you, or if you have any blocks on your account, the most common of which being the $25 fine limit that prevents further borrowing. The Personal Details tab shows contact information that is pulled from the registrar. Alumni and community members can change their passwords from this screen. And that is a quick overview of My Library Account.